Do you want to change Facebook password? You can change your Facebook account password with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your Facebook account password, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal line menu icon. A new screen appears. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Now, from the expanded menu, select Settings. Again, a new screen appears with various account settings. At the top of the screen, find and tap on Meta Account Center. In the new screen, scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Password and Security. A new screen appears. Here, at the top of the screen, you will see the Change Password option. Just tap on it. Now, you will see all Facebook and Instagram accounts that are connected to each other. From the list of accounts, choose your Facebook profile. Now, enter your old password in the current password box. Then, in the new password box, enter the new password you want to change to. Re-enter it to confirm, and tap on the Change Password button at the bottom of the screen. Now, you have successfully changed or reset your password for your Facebook account.